Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayana, Jai Shri Ram, Shri Matre Namaha. Welcome back to the Clay Studio. Today I am finally starting to experiment with the next layer of paint on top of this. There is definitely a risk with this to add a darker layer here. I am applying the paint but then moving it around until I feel that the writing is still clearly visible. So if you can see the color differences, I've just started applying here versus the old colors, it is still lighter. So it has to get slightly dark, and I'm using more of oil and less of paint. And let's hope that the experiment comes out well. So initially when I apply, it's scary. It looks like it's just smudging everything. But in reality, at least 1 month or even 40-45 days are over since I wrote the names. So that paint is just settled down completely as one layer. And whatever I'm going to do now, if I don't mess up, luckily would be the lighter layer on top like this, and nothing should happen to the writing as such. But in case there is still some kind of unclarity, then hopefully I will have to do a rewriting. But I would definitely wish that it doesn't happen. So that's what I am trying to do. I want to increase the color tonality so that it starts looking more like the sea, and then try to add some waves. I don't know if it is ambitious to try that or not, but I'm going to give it a try as such. With the black, I'm not going to do anything. I am scared. I want to do that to the blue so that it's more on the what do you call, the sea level, the color tonality changes. And then I wanted to work on this color layer. This is the dangerous one, because as such, this writing, you need to come closer to see really. And yeah, I just want it to be slightly on the pinkish orangey side here, where the two colors are coming together. It's not coming together naturally. It's like, yeah, it's pretty much a line that I drew, so it's almost like a straight line, which it shouldn't be. So it has to be having the up and down, like a possible cloud or a natural sky background. Hopefully, let's see. So that's what I'm going to do. And once that is done, it's not a time consuming task. This is an easy task. But to be honest, I'm scared of it, number one. Just because I don't want to mess up things. It's an easy task. Provided, I just keep patience, and it should work. Hopefully, yeah. I am also recording the same for our video. So I'm also doing the recording simultaneously. So it's captured here. We have the camera head right here looking at the image. But yeah, it's kind of scary because it will never smudge. To be honest, it will never smudge with the writing. But if I am careless, I might create another impression there. So that's the only thing I need to be extra careful of. So smoothening out, keeping on smoothening out, and then very lightly adding more color to increase the tonality. I think will help. That's what I'm going to do. And once that is done, I'll leave it and let it dry. And then, of course, the detailing area is something, I can Yeah, pretty much manage, I think. The way we did the detailing for Sri Ramji, Lakshmanji, Sita Devi, Lavan Kusha and Hanumanji. I think we can do a fairly nice job like that to our Garbhodakshayi, Vishnu and Lakshmi Devi as well. Maybe a little more of detailing for Adishesha. I don't think I did anything for Brahmadeva also. So yes, there is a lot of work on the detailing, but that's something, in a way I am comfortable with. So that can be tackled alongside the other painting that's also going on. This one, of course, this is a lot of sunlight right now, but if I'm going to hide the lighting and show you where it stands, it's still wet on the top side here, where I added the background color to kind of ward off all the lines that were passing through. So that's done, and it is still wet. I did it 3 days ago. It's still wet, but what I could do is to restart working on baby Ashoka Sundari, and then of course Ganesh, because these two I don't think I have worked. I need to rework. He's looking cute, but there's some more rework to be done, so I can work on the children while it dries. Especially I can start working on her because the sides are completely dry, so this is a secure region for me to work on. So what I will be doing is to keep switching between this painting and this painting. One day this one and the other day that, so it doesn't get too much of time spacing that I have already done. I think I could have started this 2 weeks earlier than today, but it's okay. I am glad that I took some time, because I can see that, honestly, the colors have settled down completely. Whatever writings have been done are settled down completely. So it's actually, I am pretty much playing with it while I'm talking to you guys, and I can see that I can still survive. The letters are surviving through. So this will be a very thin frame of darkening of the space, and slowly, gradually I need to increase the tonality, maybe give it an effect of a wave or something. So that's what I am going to do. So happy that I'm getting to restart with this, and yes, looking forward to seeing it grow with the blessings of all the gurus. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayana, Jai Shri Ram, Om Shri Matre Namaha.